sunrise morning in Marble Canyon.
Okay, here we are near Marble Canyon, Arizona. Took the dirt road here, about a half mile maybe off the highway. So I'm going to be heading down that way to the Colorado River. Nice day today. Nice day today. It was really kind of smoky the past couple of days, but I see it's clearing up. I didn't want to take my camper too far down this road. This looks like a rock and roll kind of road, yeah. So we'll let the KTM handle it today. I like these kind of rides. Never know what's coming up ahead. Never know where you're going. I find. Let's see what we got here. Okay, KTM, stay there. Don't go tumbling down into the frickin' canyon, because I don't want to go down there after you. Holy mama gama. Colorado River. Wow. Caramba! Get out here a little bit more. It's a long way down. I bet you that's trick when it's raining out here and that swells up and turns into like a little creek. Look at the layers of different years. Could be centuries. You know, like tree rings. Those might be century rings. The old earth just decided to go and split open here. Well, shoots. Let's go ride the edge of this and see what it looks like. Stuff almost looks like petrified cork. Whoa. Slippery shit, man. No traction. As rocky as it is. Hey, buddy. What's happening? Just think, he gets to glide around here. Look at that, he ain't even flapped a wing yet. He's checking me out. Now what the hell are they looking for? Because there's nothing really alive around here that I've seen. I mean, there ain't even nothing for a rat to frickin' eat here. Yeah. Yeah, sir. That was a good one. I never did that one before. Now, just what the hell do you think happened there? Look at. I'll tell you what happened. I screwed up. First time I ever did that. Okay. Turn up the idles a little bit more. Look at that, the rear wheel caught on that right side, slipped right off.